The loquat is native to China and is featured in Chinese folklore. It is said that only royalty were permitted to eat the loquat, as it was believed that the fruit falling into the river strengthened the koi to swim up waterfalls and become dragons. Loquats have been in Japan for over 1,000 years, and law books from the early 900s describe how to properly offer the loquat to Shinto gods. The loquat was brought to the West in 1690 and soon made its way to warm climates around the world, including the Middle East, India, Spain, South America, South Africa, and Mexico. In the United States, loquat trees grow in southern states, but generally produce fruit only in Hawaii, California, and Florida. Sherry loquat tree produces clusters of small, 1 to 2 inches in size, round to oval, pear-shaped yellow-orange fruit. The skin is smooth and sometimes has a red blush on top of the orangish-yellow color. The flesh is sweet and juicy, somewhat like an apricot. A self-fertile tree that produces lots of fruit in the summer months of late April to June. Loquat trees grow well in a range of well-drained soils, from fertile, loamy soils to clay to gravelly, limestone-based soils. Loquat trees are not tolerant of flooded soil conditions. In general, loquat trees should be planted in full sun for best growth and fruit production. Select a part of the landscape away from other trees, buildings and structures, and power lines. Remember, loquat trees may become moderately large if not pruned to contain their size. Plant sherry loquat with apples, pears, lavender, comfrey, nasturtium, and chives. Don't plant them with cedar or walnut. Loquats are a source of calcium, potassium, fiber, and vitamin A. They are used in Chinese medicine for digestive and respiratory issues. The seeds contain amygdalin, which is used as the cancer drug Laetrile.